Here I have TECNO Spark 10, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do that, firstly you have to just open screen which you want to capture, just home screen could be, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. I know. Like this, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and let's get it. And one last time. Power key, volume down, and we got these screenshots. Then we go to gallery to find these screenshots, and we can find them in a special screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.